What is up, guys? Welcome to our sixth tutorial in our GitOps series. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to push all of our documents from our local repository to our remote repository. We are finally leaving our local repository and we're trying to give our remote repo some attention. So, what does push mean actually? Push simply means taking all of what we did on our local repo, then pushing it to the remote repo. If yeah, that makes sense. So it we didn't really do much. We just added the README file. So for example, if you're developing a Vue project, you added HTML file, JavaScript files, and all of your files. So what you add, you staged it, then you commit, then you, saved it using the git commit. Then you want to push it to your hosted repository so that other developers can take a look, contribute, and all that. So the first thing you want to do is as usual. Yep. Now we're here. So we did in our last tutorial we did already something on Git branch. Let's check out all our branches that we have. Yeah, this lists all the branches that we have. We're currently on master. That's why it's green. If you don't know about Git branch, check out our fifth tutorial. We talk about branches. I'm going to link down in the description. And if you have not seen all from 1 to 5, I'm going to link everything so you can check it out. If you have been following, let's continue. So the first thing you want to do is we want to connect our local repository to our hosted repository. Right now, there's nothing connecting them at all, and it's just there. They're separate. So what do you want to do? So you want to simply go over to this place. Yep, and you see this place that is labeled HTTPS. Yeah, let me zoom in over. Yeah, you this link you're gonna go ahead and copy it, or if you want to go old school, just highlight this place and right click and click copy. And yeah, so we're gonna go back to our git and we're gonna do a very simple command: git remote add origin. Then we're gonna go ahead and paste our link and enter. Oh, I already connected it. All right. So I already connected mine. All you need to do is go ahead and connect yours. It's going to connect. It's not going to display any kind of message. It's just going to move on to the next line. So you're going to know that it's connected. As you can see, mine already said remote origin already exists. So I've connected mine. Go ahead and do that. And yeah. So the next thing that we're going to do is very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to push it. Git push. Then we're going to put this origin then master. What this command simply means is very simple. We're telling Git to push all of our local repository to the origin that we just added and our master branch, which is here. So once we do insert, it's gonna take some time. Moreover, you guys need internet connection for it to. I mean, this is pretty obvious, but let's just let's just put it out there. You need internet connection for the push to work. So as you can see, it's successful, 100%, 100%. If you see this message, you've successfully pushed all our local files to our remote repository. So yeah, that's a pretty big ups. Let's go ahead and check our repository. All you need to do is reload, and we should see. All right, this is it. As you can see, what we wrote the other day. This is the commit message that we made. We have only one branch, which is the master branch, and it's the main branch for this repo. So if you guys are new, you're not really gonna understand what we're talking about until you watch the rest of the video 1 to 5. I'm gonna link that all. Don't you be bothered. You're gonna just check them out, watch them one by one in order, and you're gonna get it. So for those that are following up, you can see that this was the commit message that we wrote. This is the readme file that we created, and this is what the readme file contained. This is for a tutorial. So let's go over and revise. What we did is very simple. First of all, you just have to connect your local repository to your hosted repository by simply typing git remote add origin and then paste the link. You can get the link here in case you guys are confused. It should be here. Yep, HTTPS. Click this place. It should show copy, and that's about it. All you need to do next is go over here, write your git remote add origin, paste the link, then it connects. I already connected mine, that's why it showed the little error. Remote origin already exists. But once you connect it first, it's not really going to display any kind of message, but it's just gonna move you to the next line. So you guys know that it was successful. If it wasn't successful, it's gonna display error, and you guys try that again. And uh, you guys need internet connection for it to actually work. So moving on, what we did next was pretty simple. We wrote git push flag u then origin master. Or what we just told git to do right now, we told it to push all of our files from our local repository to the origin that we just added, and that's what it did. It pushed everything that we did. But mind you, if you guys don't know, you can't exactly files that you haven't committed yet. So you have to learn about commits, and you'll have to learn about staging files ready for commits with git add. So you guys checked out my older tutorials, and you're gonna love it, I promise you. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to leave a like and comment what you think. Any questions, if anything was jamming to you, I'll be sure to answer them in the comment section, or I'll talk about it in the next video. So yeah, guys, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, in the next video, what we're going to talk about is cloning a project. If that sounds very new to you, it's fine, it's normal. In our next video, we're going to talk about that. So make sure to um, click the notification bell for when that video drops. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.